Portal. Once the page loads like this, enter your student ID and password and click on login. Then click on login. From here, look for the section like e-learning on the left side of the screen. And it will also take you to another page like this one. This one you have to select the middle one that says Pasco. Once you find the Pasco like this, it will also take you to another interface. It will take you to another interface like this. You just have to click on the login with my UCC. Then log in with your email and your password. For this particular one, if you don't have the email and the password, I'll show you how to log in with your email and the password. Right. So it will open or take you to another dashboard like this. Then here you can see your course registered and you can see the past question attached to it. You just have to click on the view questions and you'll be allowed to see the questions that we have so far. So currently we have different questions like this. We have the quizzes, we have the exams, and for the next academic, so this particular course has 2 different years, that's 2022, 2023 and 2024. You can just simply click on the download and it will automatically download for you or open another page for that, and you can save it for easy access. That's how to download past questions from my UCC Student Portal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you very much and see you next time.